Hi everyone, I'm Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a 6 months update of this amazing anti-hair fall fortifying serum. I've been using this serum for 6 months now. I already did a video about how this product helped my hair loss in 7 days, and I wanted to make a 6 months update. I was using this product every day for about a month. And as you can see here, the application is 4 pumps of this serum up until the black line daily. I was using this every day for about a month, and then I started using it every time that I would wash my hair, which is every second or third day, depends if I am giving yoga classes, how much exercise I do, etc. And I haven't noticed any change if I use this every day or every second day, sometimes every third day. This is a strong product. On my last video there were people who were commenting that it has a strong smell, that it has a lot of chemicals in the ingredients, some of them that they didn't like, but yeah, it is a strong chemical product. It smells strong, it is strong, and I think that is why it gives such fast results. So if you're afraid of using aggressive products, or if you have a sensitive scalp, or if you have problems with your scalp, I definitely recommend that you ask your dermatologist first and then get this product. Another question that I have been asked a lot is, does this promotes new hair growth? So I wouldn't say that this is my case, since I've always had new hair growing, but it has definitely helped that new hair to stay and doesn't fall off. Since December last year, I didn't cut my hair. I usually cut my hair for the last, I don't know, 6 years or more, every 3 or 4 months. And this time, since I'm using this serum, I want to grow out my hair and I don't want to cut it, not yet at least. I think I'm gonna cut it in the end of the summer. And I have dyed my hair. Well, I did baby chatouche, which is only the highlights. I didn't bleach it. It's very difficult to see it in this light, but my hair is lighter than usually, which of course has dried my hair. Because of that, in the last video I've said that I was using the same shampoo from this Genesis line, but now I have changed it to this one, as I think that it is more nourishing. My hair is still falling off very little, but what I think that is happening now is that I kind of feel like I have more hair here. Of course, since I have dyed my hair and I didn't cut it for such a long time, I have split ends and it's more dry here in the ends. I feel like my hair is fuller here, and my goal is that it grows and it will still look okay very long, which is something that I couldn't achieve before, and that's why I was cutting it all the time, because my length was like until here. Anything longer just looks so thin and lifeless, so I didn't grow it. However, I know that this doesn't look amazing. My hair is dry and I have split ends because I didn't cut it for such a long time. I still feel like it doesn't look so bad as before, when I just had in general less hair like here. What I am afraid now is that I will have to use this product forever. Couple of months ago, I ordered this serum online. I still had very little bit of my old one. I don't know what happened, but it took a long time for it to arrive. In the end, I didn't have the serum for about a week, and my hair started falling off as before. So that is a bit worrying. It didn't fall off more than before, but it did fall off the same amount. So I don't think this is something that you will use and then it will help you, and then you can stop using it, at least not in my case. So I don't know what I'm going to do in the future, but I think that for now I'll stick to it. So for now I think I'll just keep using this at least until I grow my hair long enough so that it looks good, and then I'll see what happens, because I've always wanted to have like my hair this length or maybe even longer, but since it didn't look good, I've always thought better to have a healthy and good looking hair than to have it long, damaged and rare and just didn't make any sense. So this is even like too much for me. Before I would cut my hair definitely like up until like here, but yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for the end of this summer and then cut it just a little bit and then go little by little so that I get the length but that I don't lose the volume. Of course I did cut my bangs, and I will keep on doing that. But yeah, that will be my 6 months update. The serum is still doing what it's supposed to do. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, or if you've tried this serum and you have a different experience, leave it down below in the comments as well. I feel like for someone who has been losing a lot of hair, this is an amazing product that has helped me a lot, and maybe it will help me to have long and beautiful hair in near future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. Bye bye.